Mount Fuji, Japan's 3,776-meter stratovolcano on Honshu, formed from overlapping cones, Komitake, Kofuji, and the young Shin-Fuji, built by eruptions over hundreds of thousands of years. Revered since antiquity, it anchors the Fuji Sengen shrines and the myth of Konohana Tsukuya Hime. Pilgrims established routes like Yoshida. Ukiyo-e masters Hokusai and Hiroshige immortalized its silhouette. Fuji's last eruption, the 1707-1708 Hoei event, showered ash on Edo, Tokyo. Today, sensors ring the mountain as an active volcano, even while summers draw hundreds of thousands of climbers for Garaiko, the summit sunrise. In 2013, UNESCO listed Fuji as a World Heritage Site, emblem of Japan's spirit.